So good morning and good afternoon, digital multimedia 1-2 classes. Obviously, you know that I am out of town for the next 3 days, and I know the next couple of days towards the end of the week are abbreviated days. So I'm just trying to create this video to keep you guys on point, on track here with what it is you're actually creating. You will be given a calendar week to work on this, so I don't want you guys getting too upset about it. However, I think it's a good idea that you start planning this video right now without any limitations in time. So what is the video that you guys are planning? I've talked to you guys about this. Basically, you are all going to be responsible for producing a 1 minute long video that documents the process from start to finish of you exporting a video clip from iMovie to your computer so that it could be used for like YouTube or put on Google Classroom. This is a very simple procedure. There's obviously some things that need to be talked about. So make sure you make a checklist for that or some sort of script to make sure you get all the steps, because the way your video will be evaluated is whether or not somebody who has absolutely no idea what they're doing with a computer can follow your steps click by click or statement by statement and actually export a video through iMovie. Now, the only requirement that I'm going to have for you guys is obviously it is going to be a 1 minute long video, but you will need to feature at least 50% of your B-roll inside of this video. So that means at least about 30 seconds worth of your video clip needs to have some sort of B-roll footage in it. Now, that doesn't mean that 30 seconds is going to take place in either the beginning or the end or smack dab right in the middle. B-roll is supposed to be supplemental material, like what that video showed you guys, and I'll actually put a link in this description. It's just added on video that helps explain the story, kind of lend to the nature of the film, in this case a tutorial film, and helps kind of explain things with a visual appeal to it. So I'm going to sign off here and give you guys the rest of the hour to start kind of plotting that video out. Remember, the deadline for this video is next Thursday, 1 calendar week away, March 19th. So while we have some days here that are half days, don't throw them away and save all of your videotaping to take place next week, because that's exactly what the rest of your peers will be doing. And then it's going to be a fight for the cameras and the tripods and the stabilizers and things like that. So make good use of your time right now. You cannot leave the class because there's nothing you need to leave the class for to film. Everything, including your B-roll, can be filmed right here in class. So good luck, and I'll see you guys when I return next Monday. Bye.